suave. Quiere un poco de casabe pa' ver cómo sabe.
Welcome everybody, we're at Fabulous Garage Plus here in Spanway, Washington. I'm Jeremy, I'm the president of Freaks of Nature Worldwide. Beautiful day out today at this beautiful event. Like I said, it's at Garage Plus. Many different vehicles we have out here today, from 4x4s to lowriders to mini trucks, a little bit of everything. We don't discriminate. Here's Larry. He helps run the activities here at Garage Plus.
How you doing? Glad to meet you. Jeremy does a great job putting the show together. Jeremy actually organizes this whole show for Garage Plus. Does a fantastic job. They make their own trophies. It's a phenomenal show. We got 160, 70 cars today. Yep. So you're welcome to come down, and next year it'll be the same weekend. It's the last weekend in May every year.
See you around, man. So right about now we're gonna go take a look at some shots, some scenes. They got some good scenery here, if you know what I mean. You know.
Yeah. Nice place.
What's up to Bob out there? Puget Sound Hounds, American Bulldogs, the whole crew. You're gonna be seeing a lot of him.
Bob Riders, I'm above ground. I am a real person. I say what I mean everything I say. Please keep looking up with SUAVE TV Abe Cortez at SUAVE TV. Thank you very much.
You have no idea.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long. Caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Seems as strange as when the leaves be.
Hi, I'm Josh from Sunset, Washington. This is Jeff. We're here at Garage Plus, just having a kick-ass time.
Having a badass time. Came here to represent Sunset Worldwide Club.
Hi, I'm Jen. I'm with Sunset, Washington. This is my 1993 Mazda B2200. It's got full custom interior. It's under construction at the moment. Has some, it's all on air. Has some one-off back brackets, skull and crossbones. Truck's name is Dragula, and it's really under construction, but it's come a long way in a year. So
It's good to see a lady in the vehicles. And
yeah,
trucks.
it's really good.
Interchange. Oh, how we thought those days would never end. Sometimes I hear that song and I'll start to sing along and think, man, I'd love to see that girl again. Man, I'd like to see that girl again. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. We were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite songs, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long, 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 singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing home, Sweet Home Alabama, yeah.
Whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb. Whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb. Black Betty had a child, bam lamb. The damn thing gone wild. Bam lamb, she said a word not of mine. Bam lamb, the damn thing gone blind. Bam lamb, I said, oh, Black Betty, bam lamb. Whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb. Oh, Black Betty, bam lamb. Whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb. She really gets me high. Bam lamb, you know that's no lie. Bam lamb, she's so rock steady. Bam lamb, and she's always ready. Bam lamb, whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb. Whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb. Get it.
Hey, I'm Bob Rogers. I'm above ground. I am a real person. I say what I mean everything I say. Please keep looking up for SUAVE TV Abe Cortez at SUAVE TV. Thank you very much.
I'd like to say welcome to the show. We're doing the Daily Car Show here at Garage Plus. I also put on the Northwest Rotorama Car Show at the Puyallup Fairgrounds in March. It's a great car show. SUAVE TV will be there filming it next year. And I have a partner, the Scheibel, so welcome and keep watching SUAVE TV. Thank you. Go ahead.
How y'all doing? It's Big Brother Sean from Royal Image Tacoma. You know, we're celebrating our 40-year anniversary with Royal Image as a club. Keep watching SUAVE TV. Y'all be easy.
This is Kyle, Lowrider Style Tacoma Car Club. We here at the Garage Plus, a little show and shine. Got my 62 Bel Air wagon. She's bagged out, done by Randy Harrison over there at HRS Automotive. We just out here doing big things, so keep watching SUAVE TV, Suavecito, baby.
Suave, esto va suave, sabe bien suave, 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 sabe bien suave, esto va suave. ¿Quieres un poco de